Hey guys, many of you have requested that I upload a mock driving test video without me talking about the faults, so you guys get a chance to spot the faults. So coming up is Penny's mock driving test video, in which I've cut out the intro, cut out the feedback, so we're straight to the point. It's going to have good points, minor faults and serious faults. All I want you guys to do is spot the serious faults. So comment with the number of serious faults you think Penny made. So your comment should look something like this. So the first serious fault, timestamp it, and what you thought the first serious fault was. And yeah, just total number of serious faults. And 2 winners will be selected at random to receive the ultimate driving course, fully unlocked, a pair of the best driving shoes. Let me show you. So a pair of these and a £50 Amazon voucher. All entries must be in by Christmas Day, because around then I'm going to upload the actual mock driving test video where I talk you through the faults. So you have up until Christmas Eve midnight to enter. So any comments after the 24th of December will not be entered, nor will any edited comments. Let's see if you can spot the serious faults in this video. Good luck. So just to clarify, every time you hear this sound and see this text, it means coming up is either good driving, a minor fault or a serious fault. Remember that I only want you guys to comment with the number of serious faults and when they occurred. End of the road, if you could turn left for me please. Well spotted. Go. Turn left please, just after this white car. Okay. Steer more this way, steer more. That's it. That's fine. At the end of this road, turn right please. Okay. That's automatically. Park up on the left. That's fine, just yeah. Okay, Penny, you know what I'm going to ask you to do here now?
Parallel park.
Yeah, the one thing you said you don't like doing.
Yeah.
Right, so use that car in front, park nice and close to the curb. Stop, Penny, stop. You steered the wrong way. Yeah, steer to the left for me.
Oh gosh.
The front of the car's going to hit that car though. Steer this way, towards me.
Towards you.
Yeah, that's it, go on.
Carry on.
And one more turn towards me. Yeah, as you move.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Now just continue reversing. So select reverse gear for me. That's it. Bring the clutch higher. That's it.
It's gonna hit.
Yeah, no, it's not going to hit. No. That's it.
Alright.
You would have if you didn't steer this way.
I was wondering, did I steer the wrong way? I'm allowed to get myself closer to the curb, or that's...
That's the idea. So you should be trying to get close to the curb.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me check from this side.
At the end of the road, turn right, please.
Okay. Okay, continue. Don't think anyone's coming.
Signs to Dudley, please.
Right. East ahead.
roundabout, if you could turn right and take the second exit, please.
Okay. Right, second exit.
And you just park forward into that bay, straight ahead, yeah?
Okay, straight ahead. That's it.
That's it. Secure the car for me. Thank you. That's the end of the test. Anything you did?